Yeah, people, we're there again. John was star. Sometimes you see some things in a star, may I tell you. You have to wonder if it's a real joke thing or a real thing. But yeah, the headline here say, Cracker's thief. Cracker's thief gets 7 years in prison. You can't believe that, people. A cracker's thief, a man with thief a biscuit, gets 7 years in prison. Oh, that son. Nah, defend or try justify thieving, but 7 years, something not sound right about that. In the Western Regional Gun Court on Tuesday. Like madness. Comment below and tell me what you think. So the story goes like this. The story is on a way. A St. James man who held up a senior citizen at gunpoint and robbed him of a plastic bag which only contained a pack of Excelsior water crackers was sentenced to 7 years at hard labor. The convicted man is 22-year-old Ricardo Irvin, a laborer of Salt Spring in St. James. According to reports, in late 2016, the elderly man was walking along the main road in the Cornwall Court's housing scheme when Irvin and 3 other armed men held him up at gunpoint and took away the bag. They mean to tell me say a 3 man rob 1 man with a bag of crackers. Me I tell you people, rapper crapper would have said the struggle is real. What me I tell you people, it's rough out there. What do you think about that? That sound legit too, that sound. And like, share and subscribe the thing and we're there up and live, up and running. Yeah, look out for more updates, look out for more posts. We'll be posting on the regular. Yeah, out people. Believe it or not, it can be a real thing, Who's to tell if the man them never get all the news, say how the man there walk with a bag of cash stack up. So them could look for grab all 100,000 at the bag or 200,000 or however how much. Yeah, so maybe them grab the bag thinking the thousands of dollars in there and not knowing say it's just a bag of crackers.